Unleash your gym life potential. CrossFit training secrets revealed. CrossFit has gained immense popularity in the fitness world due to its challenging and diverse workout routines. To unleash your potential in CrossFit training, here are some key secrets and tips. Consistency is key. Regularity in workouts is crucial. Consistently attending classes or training sessions will help you progress and improve your overall fitness level. Focus on form. Prioritize proper form over lifting heavier weights or completing workouts quickly. Proper form reduces the risk of injury and ensures maximum benefit from each exercise. Varied workouts. CrossFit emphasizes varied workouts that target different muscle groups and incorporate various movements, like weightlifting, gymnastics, and cardio. Embrace this diversity to challenge your body and prevent plateaus. Scale appropriately. CrossFit workouts can be scaled to suit different fitness levels. Don't hesitate to modify exercises or weights to match your capabilities and gradually progress as you improve. Mobility and recovery. Pay attention to mobility exercises and recovery. Stretching, foam rolling, and adequate rest are crucial for preventing injuries and optimizing performance. Nutrition matters. Fuel your body with proper nutrition. Focus on a balanced diet that supports your workouts and promotes recovery. Set realistic goals. Establish achievable short-term and long-term goals. Tracking progress and celebrating achievements can keep you motivated. Community support. The CrossFit community is known for its camaraderie and support. Engage with fellow members, seek advice, and draw inspiration from others. Listen to your body. Understand when to push yourself and when to rest. Overtraining can lead to burnout and injuries. Professional guidance. Consider working with certified CrossFit trainers or coaches. They can provide personalized guidance, correct your form, and design workouts tailored to your abilities and goals. Remember, everyone progresses at their own pace in CrossFit. Stay committed, stay patient, and enjoy the journey towards unlocking your full potential in the gymnasium.